In this video, we'll look at how to use the filters in SCiNiTo's search section. Filters help you narrow down your results and find exactly the type of research you need, faster and more efficiently. After you've entered your keyword and the results appear, you can apply filters to refine those results further. Alternatively, you can use filters before typing a keyword to set specific conditions for your search. For example, let's use the organization filter. Here, you can enter the name of a university to retrieve all articles affiliated with that institution. You can also combine the organization filter with a country to see research collaborations between that university and researchers from other countries. Another useful option is the keywords filter, which includes a collection of predefined subjects. You can type a subject area here to display articles related to that specific topic. The language filter allows you to choose from nearly 200 languages. You can select one to explore what kind of research is available in that language on SCiNiTo. One of the most practical filters is article type. This lets you limit your search by document type, for example, journal articles, books, book chapters, datasets, theses, or preprints. It's a great way to find the exact kind of source you need. You can also use the authors filter to look up publications by a specific researcher, or search by publisher name to find works released by a particular publishing group. The venue filter allows you to search for a specific journal, book, or repository. For instance, if you enter OSTI, which refers to the US Department of Energy's scientific repository, you'll retrieve related publications in the energy field. This way, you can access data from scientific repositories around the world. You can also search through preprint repositories like ArXiv, medRxiv, and ChemRxiv, all at once, directly within SCiNiTo. Another meaningful filter is SDG, which represents the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. You can select any of the 17 SDGs, for example, quality education, to find articles aligned with that specific goal. You can even check which SDGs your university or institution contributes to by selecting it under organization. This allows you to see how many and what types of studies from your institution address a particular global goal. Finally, if you only want to view open access papers, you can simply activate this option to display results that are freely accessible to everyone. That's all for this tutorial on how to use filters in SCiNiTo Search. For more tips and walkthroughs, visit the Help Center section on the SCiNiTo website, where you'll find guides and resources to help make your research process smoother and more efficient.